What is up, guys? It is XX Mod and Tutorials here, and today I have a cool little matrix effect using Notepad. So you can make a little matrix effect using Notepad. So I'm not gonna waste your time. Let's just get right to it. So just type in add echo off, pause, color 0A, mode 1000, and what add echo off does is clears all the text, and so you won't have any text when you type. And pause makes it so you have to press a key to actually activate it, and if you don't want to do that, you can just take the pause off, and as soon as you open up the file, it'll automatically start the matrix. So you could either add pause or take it off. I'm just going to add it for this tutorial. So color makes it turn green, mode 1000 makes CMD way bigger. So that's a little trick for you guys. If you try to make CMD a little bit bigger, and you try and make it bigger, you can't. It's just the biggest it'll go. You can just type in mode 1000 and it'll be way bigger. There you go, guys. That's a little trick you just learned in this video. So yeah, after that, just press enter twice, semicolon A, enter, and then type in echo %random%. You're going to want to copy that %random%. Control C to copy it, and then Control V. Hold that down for about 5 seconds, and then click enter, and then type in go to A. So what this does, it repeats the random process. So what %random% does, it's just a random number, as self-explanatory. It's just a random number. So if you type in go to A, it repeats the random number process, which makes the matrix effect just random numbers. So after that, file, save as, choose your destination. Mine will be desktop. Name whatever. I'm just going to name it start me. Type in .bat at the end. It has to be .bat or it will not work. So whatever you want to name it, and then .bat at the end. Save that. You can exit out of that, and then you got your little bat file. You're gonna want to double click it, and then that's when the pause part came in. If you didn't want to add the pause, it'll automatically be starting for you. But for me, I just added it for this video so you can see how it looks. If you don't add it, if you do add it, you're gonna have to press a key, and then it'll start. So if you don't want it to start all the way in the corner, what you can do beforehand, if you added the pause, this is only if you added the pause, if you want to fix it. So just put that top right, and then tell your friend, like if you're at a friend's computer, do this real quick, memorize it, do this real quick, and put it at the corner and be like, hey dude, what happened? And he's like, I don't know, let's find out. And then that'll just pop up. So it'll fix itself if you put it at the top right corner when you open it up, if you added the pause. Like that. But if you just open it, if you just click it where it started, it'll be like that, and you're gonna have to drag it and look retarded. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want me to make more CMD tutorials or anything else like this, just please leave a comment and like and subscribe. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace.